Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental ailments, physical illnesses are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is courage. What do you need to have the courage to do? Be yourself. The courage to follow through. The courage that it shall work. Faith without works are dead. We need you to put some footprints into the sand right now. We need you to start moving forward and create. Have courage to be the individual, the one of one. There's no one like you. You're doing other things that people cannot understand. But once you complete your task, then the understanding shall come. I'm stronger than any fear. Fear fears you. It'll turn around and it'll run away like a coward, and you can go along your path of manifestations, blessings, and breakthroughs. And I'm bigger than any doubt. Because you're a genius, you think it all the way through. Why doubt yourself when you already have victory, when you already dotted your I's, crossed your T's? You make sense. I am light. I remain light. And you shine, baby, shine. I trust in God and stand before all the tests of life because they're going to make me strong. I grow and become wiser through every challenge, wiser and stronger. Therefore, you can maintain more blessings. This is going to be a new season, new breakthrough coming to you. More blessings coming your way that you'll be able to sustain because you've done the work. It'll feel like a feather, not like a ball and chain. And you can receive more blessings than you ever could because you've done the work. I am a new being of new life, new experiences. So love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, get ready for this new you, have the courage to keep pressing forward because times are going to change very quickly for the best. I love you.